welcome back to my channel, and today we will be making our burger patties, our vegetarian burger patties. So before that guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for my future videos. Alright, so I'm peeling here potatoes. I have here 3 potatoes here. So this is actually our main ingredient for our burger patties. And we'll be boiling this. I'm already boiling water. So we'll just have to boil these potatoes. So by the way guys, this is crispy vegetarian burger patties. Alright, so boil the potatoes guys. We also have our carrots. So we're gonna match our potatoes here guys. They're already soft. Okay guys, our potatoes are already mashed.
Wow!
And I also here our ginger. Okay, so we'll just have to mix. This is cornstarch. That's 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and also 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We'll have to make a very thin batter. This will be for the coating of our burger patties. Okay, so this should be the consistency that we're looking for. It's running consistency, and we have here our breadcrumbs. Alright guys, so these are our ingredients for our vegetarian burger patties. We have carrots, mashed potatoes, boiled green peas, ginger, breadcrumbs, our cornstarch and flour mixture, and our spices. If you have no spices available guys, you can use whatever spices you are used to. We have here coriander powder, turmeric, cumin powder, garam masala, salt. So I am using Indian spices here guys. Again, if you have no Indian spices available, you can use whatever spices you are accustomed to using. using our cookie cutter, this will be our molder. So we can form into a circle. If you have no cookie cutter, guys, you can also use your hand. Just form it into a circle. Okay, this is our patty.
Wow!
Just drop the patty here. That and to our breadcrumbs. Okay, here. Alright guys, this is already our finished product of our vegetarian patties. So today we will be making our vegetarian burger. Since we're able to make our eggless mayonnaise the other day, as well as our burger buns the other day. So today we're gonna be making our vegetarian burger. So we have here, aside from our patties, which we cooked earlier, we have our tomatoes. We also have our cucumber, our lettuce, our cheese, and our vegetarian mayonnaise, as well as our burger buns. Okay, so I'm taking off our, let's put first our vegetarian mayonnaise, our eggless mayonnaise. Let's put our veggie patties, our tomatoes, cucumber, and put again and our cheese. Top it off with, this is it. So this is again another simple, quick, and cost-efficient recipe. Before we go guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for my future videos. So see you again on our next sumptuous recipes, only here at Barbz Kitchen. Bye!